is what I was telling you. Guys like Paul Artadi, you mentioned it. Yes, he played in a Game 7. But how many minutes did he play in that game? Today, naglalaro siya sa Game 7, may halong pagod at may halo na ring pressure.
Air 21 gunning for the lead. Arwin Santos for the lead.
However, to be honest, another
one more try for the lead. Blocked by Alexander. And who gets the ball? It's with Mark Nagiwa. 5 and 13 remaining in this Game 7 epic. Tubid with a basketball. That's going to be a push.
This is going to be the problem of Air 21. They are in the penalty, and cheap fouls like that will send guys like Eric Meck to the line.
This time a game earlier, this Yakult slam dunk by Arwin Santos. Yakult every day okay. Sigurado ka siya.
2 shots for Airplane.
Once again, we welcome you to Game 7. Nico Halili kasama si Jason Webb, Eric Reyes, Dominic Oy, and Richard Del Rosario. Brad Houston is the third of choice for the power dressers. Brad Houston dresses up the modern man endowed with distinction and a clear consensus style. Dan Houston, best dress shirt. You know, whoever comes up with a difficult performance in either team in the remaining moments of this game might actually be the best contender for finals MVP, because at this point, too many players to choose from, too many names to select. Air 21 goes to Steven Thomas for the lead. Yes, sir!
And Chris Alexander already playing defense there. Oh, and another foul. Nico, itong naging problema ng Air 21. Kaya nga lang nasabi natin, look at this. They are shooting their 36th, or rather their 37th and 38th free throw. If you get to the line 38 times in the game, you're doing something right.
You know, if Air 21 loses this game, they will look back at the fouls they've committed. It's actually killed their own rallies. William Galeda on a couple. Now Arwin Santos also committing one. Here's our No Fear, fearless move of the game. Brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the ball, for it. Carried a bit with a gutsy drive going under the bridge and scooting in for the layup. Back to live action, Ronald Tubid now with 18 points in the game. So, balik ang labang sa Ginebra, 83-82.
At ang maganda ngayon sa Barangay Ginebra, yung mga free throw, they're starting to make it. In the first half, they couldn't get it in. Ngayon naman, ito na, pumapasok na. Law of averages creeping up para sa Barangay Ginebra.
David Thomas. Arwin Santos with the rebound, and he scores. Making up for that foul earlier, Arwin Santos now with 19 points in the game. Balik ang lamang sa Air 21, 84-83. Nagiwa against Arwin Santos. Here's Meng. Ready Del Campo with 5 personal fouls. Meng, up and under. Yes, sir! A vintage performance from Eric Meng with 21 points. Ginebra up by 1. Ready Del to Thomas. Thomas flips a pass. And it's a turnover.
At this point, Nico, turnovers will be huge. Every possession matters. Tingnan niyo yung oras. 3 minutes and 43 na lang dito sa Game 7.
And a gentleman on the hard court, Meng, Tubid, Bahana, Pagiwa, Alexander. Here's Meng. No, sir. Rebound from Thomas. Air 21 with a golden chance to reclaim the lead. They have Billones, Santos, David, Thomas, and Del Campo. They go to Thomas against Alexander. Alexander with 5 personal fouls. Bob Perasol really wants to talk things over. Gusto pagplanuan ng mabuti. Walang gustong sayangin ang pagkakataon with 3 and 17 remaining in the fourth quarter. It's a 30-second timeout for Air 21. Here's our iPhone Dual Live player. Kita nyo ng iPhone, 2 SIMs, 1 phone.
I really like those timeouts when you call a timeout like that. You allow your players to try to figure out for a couple of seconds. Pero kung walang nag-evolve dun sa play, you have a lot of timeouts, especially when it's in the final, you might as well use it because like you said, every possession counts na dito dahil palitan ng kalamangan dito. Isang puntos lang ang kalamangan ng Barangay Ginebra.
10 seconds.
Well, you see this mammoth crowd, close to 23,000 screaming fans. It looks like they'll witness a wild wind-up here in Game 7. 6 to shoot para sa Air 21.
They don't look like they know it.
Here's Millones, he fires! Santos can't get the rebound, and it's against Chagiwa. Under 3 minutes to go in the payoff period. Mark Chagiwa with another. Tubig with 9 to shoot. They go to Alexander. Alexander inside, hook shot, it goes in. Points for Chris Alexander, and it is deafening inside the big dome. Thomas fires, no go. Rebound for Eric Bank. Ginebra protecting a 3-point lead.
Di marami na shoot ito si Chris Alexander, but his points have been very crucial. That last 2 points pushes the league up to 3 points. And right there, another foul for Air 21.
Basket by Pakana will not count. Foul was committed earlier.
But that's his favorite side right there. Humelt yung Air 21 pero masyadong malaki. Ito si Chris Alexander at ang laki rin nung basket na yun para sa kanyang team.
You don't need to be a genius to know how huge these free throws are.
They haven't been shouting his name. But Ronald Gubit has just been as big as Eric Menk because he has put in 19 points in this game. Eric Menk has 21.
Gubit wasn't even around in the elimination round, making a surprise comeback.
That was great. We knew that Ronald Gubit was available to play.
And as we enter this timeout, Ginebra could be 2 minutes and 13 seconds away, but they'll need to protect this 5-point lead. Back inside the championship capital of Philippine basketball, the Araneta Coliseum, and the walls of the Big Dome witnessing another epic. Mr. Bert Lina, team owner of Air 21, and of course Mr. Henry Cojuangco, Boss Henry, from Barangay Ginebra, watching their teams duke it out with 2 and 13 remaining. It's a 5-point lead for Ginebra, 89-84. Air 21 looking for one last push to get back in this game.
So good job, Chris Pakana, not allowing Winnie Arboleda to get the basketball. Now all of a sudden, that offense that they set up via timeout, nasira na.
A near swipe by Chris Alexander, also favoring that right leg. This is a wounded Ginebra team with no J.J. Hilterbrand. Junti Valenzuela hindi na nakabalik sa larong ito. Mark Chagiwa is hurting. And as we enter the outlast 2 minutes, the outlast maintenance free battery start agad. They're trying to hold off a Katsi Air 21 squad. And carried a bit, misses the layup. And there's a whistle, there's a foul. It's against Arwin Santos.
And that's free throws once again for Barangay Ginebra. Mark Chagiwa, not 100%.